Gorgeous basement rancher in desirable Kahite subdivision of Tellico village. Natural light floods this upgraded family home. Open floor plan with split bedrooms on the first floor. Remodeled kitchen has been opened to the family room, offering a huge island, concrete countertops, stainless steel appliances and plenty of storage. Family room has a tastefully designed electric fireplace and wall decor. Split bedrooms. Primary offering a walk-in closet. Bright and open walkout. Basement has one bedroom with 2 additional bonus rooms that are currently being used as bedrooms. French doors lead to a sitting area and a luxurious yard. This lot offers seasonal lake views and is one of the highest lots in Kahit.